Hi there! Let's go through a quick walkthrough of how to distribute network settings to computers using a configuration profile in Jamf Pro. To start, let's log into our Jamf Pro server. Under the Computers tab, click Configuration Profiles. Click New in the top right. Let's practice good naming conventions and give our new profile a name that makes it easy to identify. I'm creating a network profile for our Wi-Fi at the Minneapolis office, so I'm naming mine Minneapolis Wi-Fi. It's also good practice to write a description and assign the profile to a relevant category, but for now I'm leaving the rest of the general payload as default. Next, click the network payload on the left, and then click Configure. In the network payload, there are quite a few settings that can be configured depending on network requirements. For this example, I'm only going to configure those that are relevant to our network, but be sure to review the descriptions next to the various settings to determine if they're applicable to your setup. Under the Network Interface pop-up menu, we can select Wi-Fi or various Ethernet settings. I'm leaving mine set to Wi-Fi. For Service Set Identifier, or SSID, input the name of the Wi-Fi network. If the network is hidden from the public, click the box next to Hidden Network. Next, we have the option to have computers auto-join the network, which I'm going to uncheck. Under Security Type, select the appropriate network encryption setting. My organization uses WPA2 Personal, but if you're not sure what type of security your organization uses, check with your network team. Enter the password for the wireless network, and then enter it again to ensure it has been entered correctly. With our network settings configured, click Scope. Since many of our employees travel to multiple locations, I'm going to assign this profile to all computers under the Target Computers pop-up menu. This way, anyone who goes to the Minneapolis office to work will have the Wi-Fi network available to them. If you're following along in your own instance, be sure to scope it to a test computer or group to be sure it's working as intended before sending it to all computers. Click Save, and that's it. Remember, the configuration profile is immediately sent to all computers in scope and installed as soon as they're online and receive communication from Jamf Pro. Thanks for watching.